Hello, it's Mr. G, your business teacher. Today, we're focusing on how to apply business theories effectively in your BTEC Business Unit 6 exam. Many students lose marks not because they don't know the theories, but because they fail to link them properly to the case study. Understanding concepts like motivation theories, leadership styles, and decision-making models is essential, but applying them in context is what differentiates high-scoring answers. Let's start with motivation theories. If a case study mentions employees feeling demotivated, don't just state that Maslow's hierarchy applies. Identify which level of Maslow's pyramid is relevant. If staff are worried about job security, they are at the safety level. If they lack recognition, they are at the esteem level. A strong answer will apply this insight to recommend solutions such as offering job stability or an employee recognition scheme. Similarly, with Herzberg's two-factor theory, don't just say motivation is low, but identify whether the problem is a lack of motivators like career progression or hygiene factors like low pay. When discussing leadership styles, always link them to the business's needs. If a company is undergoing rapid change, a transformational leader may be best suited to inspire innovation. If there's a crisis, an autocratic leader may be necessary for quick decision-making. Rather than simply defining the leadership style, explain why it is the most suitable choice based on the scenario provided. Decision-making models such as the Tannenbaum-Schmidt continuum or the Blake-Mouton grid should also be applied to the business context. If the case study suggests a teamwork issue, referencing the Blake-Mouton grid can determine whether the leader is too task-focused or too people-focused. The key is not just naming the model, but explaining how it applies to the specific management challenge. In financial decision-making, simply stating that a company has high costs is not enough. A strong response would apply break-even analysis to assess whether the business is covering its fixed costs or use cash flow forecasting to determine liquidity risks. The examiner wants to see that you can take a theoretical framework and apply it practically to business scenarios. When writing your answers, always follow a clear structure. Start by identifying the issue in the case study, apply the relevant theory, explain why it applies, and then evaluate its effectiveness. High-scoring students don't just say, "The business should improve communication." They state which model supports this, how it addresses the issue, and any limitations. To excel in your exam, practice applying theories to real-world business examples. This skill will set your answers apart and demonstrate higher-level thinking. In the next lesson, we'll look at structuring long answer questions effectively using the Peel and evaluative response techniques. Thank you for listening to Mr. G. Please like and subscribe.